Logan, do you like Big Green Tractor? You do. Does Jason Aldean sing it? He does. What does it sound like? Where you go? Is that your song, Logan? It is. What is it? You like it? Is that the best song? Is it good? You like that song? Dance. Can you dance? You like the song? Well, dance to it. There you go. You gonna sing too? What happened? What happened? It went off, huh? What happened, Logan? There it is. Dance. There's your big green tractor. Dance, Logan. That ain't your song no more? Is that your song? Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye.